Hello, dear traders. My name is Clara, and these are the main trading ideas for the current trading session. First of all, let's discuss the situation with the dollar. The dollar index is trading at 104. Investors are still focused on the results of the U.S. Federal Reserve meeting, at which the regulator left the key rate at 4.50%, but adjusted its economic growth forecasts. Now, officials expect that the gross domestic product will grow by 1.7% this year instead of the previously expected 2.1%, and inflation will be 2.8% instead of 2.5%. During a press conference, the head of the department, Jerome Powell, said that further steps in the field of monetary policy will be taken based on the economic situation. Powell also pointed to the growth of uncertainty and the risks of increased inflation against the backdrop of Trump's trade policy. As for the U.S. Federal Reserve dot chart, most officials still predict that this year the key rate will be reduced by a maximum of 50 percentage points. Given this, the dollar retains growth potential. Next euro against the dollar. The pair is trading at 1.0840. Yesterday, ECB President Lagarde spoke before the Economic and Monetary Affairs Committee of the European Parliament. She said that U.S. tariffs of 25% on imports from Europe would reduce Eurozone economic growth by around 0.3% in the first year. The study also shows that retaliatory tariffs from Europe would further increase this figure to around 0.5%. As for the inflation outlook, Christine Lagarde predicts that a trade war with the U.S. could increase inflation by around 0.5%. According to analysts, worsening economic conditions could put additional pressure on the euro. And finally, pound against the dollar. The pair is trading at 1.2940. Investors are focusing on the results of the Bank of England meeting, where the regulator kept the key rate at 4.50%. In an accompanying statement, the regulator noted that the decision was caused by growing economic uncertainty due to additional trade tariffs from the United States and increased geopolitical risks. However, officials noted that going forward, based on medium-term inflation expectations, a gradual and cautious approach to easing monetary policy would be appropriate. According to analysts, the Bank of England rate may be cut 3 times this year, which will leave the pound among the outsiders of the currency market. So, these are the main trading ideas for now. Thank you for your attention, and don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel.